Hey everybody, I'm Corey.
And I'm Dana, and happy Thanksgiving! So to celebrate Thanksgiving this year, we decided to do something a little bit different, and we are going to try to make our Thanksgiving dinner only using items we currently have in the house. So we're not going grocery shopping for anything. And we're gonna focus on shelf-stable items. So no milk, no eggs, nothing frozen. Everything has to come out of the pantry. And one of the reasons for doing this is over time, like when people have been sick or things have happened, we bought non-perishable goods that we end up not eating. And other than donating, we also need to go ahead and eat them so that they don't go bad. So we thought, let's do that this year. So you're gonna come along with us, and Corey's gonna start, and we're gonna figure out what we're gonna have for Thanksgiving that's non-perishable.
This could be scary. Are we having appetizers?
Yes, we should have appetizers, dinner, and dessert.
Let's.
Honey, you can't spend 5 minutes picking this out. I'm hungry. Okay, we're gonna have to put a time limit on this. You got 10 seconds to figure it out.
Okay.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, get out!
For an appetizer, we will be having strawberry applesauce. As you can see, they come in these lovely little packages. So it's individually sized, portion sized for each one of us. You can just squirt a little bit out onto a plate or into a bowl, or you can just squirt it right into your mouth. So there you go. There's your appetizer for Thanksgiving.
Okay, so it's my turn. So we got applesauce to start off with. Delicious. But what's my favorite thing to go with applesauce and what makes sense with Thanksgiving dinner? That's right, guys. Dinner rolls known as crackers. I love some crackers with some applesauce. So we are gonna have crackers with our applesauce to go for hors d'oeuvres. Give us a main entree.
The main entree? Okay. So main entree, you know, sometimes you have several things on your Thanksgiving plate. You know how your grandma or your aunt will usually have those sectional plates? I like the sectional plates because I don't like all my food running together. So I will always go for the stuffing.
As a main dish? Okay.
This is part of the main dish?
No, you can only pick one item, but okay, go ahead.
Well, if I had one dish that I would pick to eat as my main dish, stuffing would be it. No, it's not dressing, it is stuffing made by stovetop.
Okay, well for me, main dish is gonna be a little bit different. Where I'm from, we like meat, so we're gonna go get some meat. What we got up in here, y'all? Oh, look. Spam, spam, spam. Let's see. Ooh, less sodium and turkey. Turkey, it's perfect. Thanksgiving turkey, perfect.
So
we need some other type of protein.
Other type of protein?
Yes, find us some protein.
Okay, I've got some protein for you.
Okay.
Now, this is not something that I would normally eat.
Okay.
But most people will, and sometimes I'll just eat a little bit. So, protein. Black eyed peas.
Oh, that's a good one.
How about that?
Yeah.
Okay.
Wait, do they have protein? Look at it. How many proteins?
5 grams of protein.
Okay, not bad. All right.
That's good for you.
All right.
I hate them. They taste like dirt.
No, they don't. So now I gotta do another side dish to go with our spam, stuffing, and beans. That's right. It ain't Thanksgiving without some yams in a can. What?
To go along with our stuffing, yams, peas, and turkey, spam. I sound like what's her name?
Oh Lord. Spam, crackers, applesauce.
Beans, greens, potatoes, tomatoes, lamb, ram,
To go along with that, I will add a vegetable.
Okay, since you don't eat the peas, or black eyed peas,
This is what I'll be eating.
Okay.
Whole kernel corn.
I feel like we need some rubbish, like some greens.
Batteries blinking.
Oh no. Oh no, this is what we need. I don't know. That's right. Macaroni and cheese. Individual size, bake it in the microwave. Yes.
So I think we can go on and move to dessert.
Wait. I got one more thing. I'm sorry, I forgot. One more, please.
Okay.
Please. Hey y'all, I'm sorry. It's me, your favorite Aunt Karen. I'm a little late, but I got the food. I brought it. Hold on. That's right. We've been Thanksgiving on potluck without some pasta salad. Yes, yes, yes.
Really?
But wait. Because I am your Aunt Karen, I'm making my special pasta salad. That's right.
Karen, you're not invited anymore.
All right, let's get into it. What's for dessert?
Okay. Pop-Tart's not making dessert. Okay, so for dessert, we are going to have butterscotch and chocolate. You can mix these together or you can have them individually.
I'm sure.
I like the butterscotch.
Can't wait. Okay. I see.
Got
Okay.
that? Ooh.
All right.
Oh, wait a minute. That's not gonna work. You got to have milk to go into the Jell-O pudding.
You ain't gotta have milk. Mix it with water. All right. I don't know why we skipped all this, y'all. But we gonna have some peanut butter brownies. Yeah. And you know what?
I didn't even think about that.
I think maybe that's something we can. Oh, yeah. Okay. We gonna mix in a little toffee. Yeah.
That's better than mine.
But it's okay, cause you know for Thanksgiving you gotta have like 40 desserts, so you can pick another one. Go ahead. So far you made a dessert for children.
No, that's wrong dessert. You can have.
I ain't ever going to no Thanksgiving that had no pudding.
You ever been to a retirement home?
Yes.
We will have chocolate hazelnut wafers.
Okay. Again.
They're
kitty.
light.
I'm just saying.
Dip them in the pudding.
Cause you know Aunt Pam and Aunt Yvonne, they got the sugars. So I'm gonna give them a special treat. Okay. Yeah. I'm seeing something up in here. I'm liking it. Okay, yeah. Okay. Yeah. All right. So I'm gonna make them my toasted coconut almond apple sweetened with Splenda surprise. What you think?
Is that
Sound
like some
good,
kind
right?
of trifle-like thing or something?
Yeah. Okay. I'll try. Oh, wait. Protein granola?
No,
What?
I'm not sure about that.
You don't think they like it?
No.
They keep their sugar low. Oh, one more thing. As a parting gift, you want to get them little shot cups, or maybe them cups they use for communion in church. Everybody going home with their own bit of fiber. That's right. Keep it flowing through.
Okay guys, we hope that you enjoyed that little silly video that we made. We hope that you also have a very happy and safe Thanksgiving. Please make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you know every time that we post new videos. Have a great day!
Bye!
Beans, greens, potatoes, tomatoes, lamb, rams, hog, dog.